Good morning, everybody. So, we got an interesting day today. We got Robert in the background there, and the reason why I was showing two keys, I'm trying to hook up my trailer in the back, and I don't know which key it is to unlock the hitch part. So I lost all my keys. I had to bang off this where you put the ball down. They have a lock mechanism. There's a ball that goes on there. So this heavy, huge thing on top. You can't get it off. I was like, I lost the keys. So I opened my box where all my accessories are to trailer and everything. So I took out one of those pintle hitches. I just smashed the lock right off. I was like, well, that wasn't very secure. That's a Harbor Freight setup. So I threw that in there until I find the key. So the deal is today, I had to return a lot of different things. People were sending me too many things. I'm like, that's not, you sent me two. I only ordered one. So I gave the one to my wife for her Mother's Day present, and we spent a lot of time up to Winds Creek. And we're going to go pick up one of the TJs now. And at the same time, mail some stuff. So I go to take, right here, let's go over here. So up is in the garage. I said, all right, we'll back you out and we'll take you to drop off one of the things I sold on Motor Speed. I had to go look at my eBay site, Motor Speed 1984. So remember, if you ever want to buy anything, just look Motor Speed 1984. And yes, right there, it's behind me. That's the problem with Up. He's trying to look at me and watch. I'll duck. There you go, right above me. There it is. eBay, Motor Speed 1984. Fooled you Up. I mean, Robert. So we're gonna back out this. We're gonna try to back out Up here, and she cranks and no start. I was like, really? You got another friend coming here. You got TJ, a white one. We haven't named her yet. She's a 97, with straight six, with a stick shift, without a rear drive shift, but we got one up there for sale. So guess what? It's not for sale anymore because now we have to put it on one of the Jeeps. So it's the rear drive shaft. He must have broke a U-joint and didn't have it, so he's just driving on the front differential, which is my truck now once I pick it up. Got the cash. Got all from the casino. Made pretty good money, so happy weekend, and my wife is happy too because it was great. It was a good weekend for her, me, everybody. And back to business now. So went to go do this and it just started. I said, come on, Up. Give me a freaking break. So I think it just ran out of fuel because this thing always starts. I could probably spray some down the throat, but the gauge says like halfway. Like I said a billion times, these gauges are very inaccurate, but I'm pretty sure it had fuel. Maybe we have a new issue. I don't know. See, that's what happens when you have older Jeeps. When I sell them to you or whatever, don't expect it to run forever, or do expect it to run forever, or there was nothing wrong with her. I don't know, maybe there's a kill switch. I don't know. But it's probably just run out of fuel. Might as well look down its throat, see if there's fuel down. Let's just spray some ether there. Let's get it going. So let's spray it down, make sure she's good. So, Robert, what are you doing? I know, I moved. So let's spray some ether down the throat, and if it starts up, then we'll know we're good. Oh, come on, baby. What happened? What's the matter, girl? I mean, boy, I think this thing is definitely a boy. So, there's some ether around here. Starting fluid. So, I just got the message. Sorry about that. I got the message from the guy I'm buying it from. I gotta look at that in a second. Let me just spray some ether down the throat, and then we'll crank her over. Keys are in ignition. This is where you know. No, man. I guess I tied her down good. Wait. This is one of those quick connects. Let me get a flashlight. And a battery. This is one of these quick disconnects down the throttle body. You're a quick disconnect. Why don't you come off? Okay, there you go, baby. So let's open the throttle and we'll just, since I lost the top, you really shouldn't be doing this. I'm just going to squirt the top. This is not a good thing to do. I'm supposed to get a nice spray card, but let's just throw it down there. So we threw some ether down there. Let's see if she just starts. If she starts, then we know we're just out of fuel. Let's give her a crank. Houston, we have a problem. What's wrong, Rob? You got to switch here. Maybe just switch. Well, that's odd. I don't know why you don't start. Oh, you know what? Another way to tell you to get fuel? We'll just take the fuel rail off, push a key down in there. We'll just take a pen. Well, we got fuel. Shit. Got fuel. Now, what happened? I wonder what happened on her. She always starts. Always starts. So if you don't have fuel, you gotta have no spark. What happened, baby? No spark. You gotta have fuel, spark. So we're gonna have to come back and figure out why up doesn't want to start. Then we'll make some room. No spark. What happened? Something came disconnected somehow. So we got to figure out why it doesn't got spark. Well, it has fuel, so if it has fuel, it just needs spark. Maybe it's moved around the stick. Okay, so I tested the neutral safety switch out by cranking it over and moving the stick around. So in reverse, it just shuts off. So obviously it's working. Neutral, it's cranking. Drive, it's cranking. I mean, stopping. So neutral safety switch is working. So we got no spark. Why I got no spark? I don't know. I can't win. That's okay. It's no big deal. All right, let me get going on this. We'll just leave up to rest a little while. She just says, you know what? You left me alone. You went gambling the whole weekend. You know what? I ain't starting for you when you come back. Son bitch. It's no big deal, man. We'll go get another TJ and we'll just drag this one outside. No, we won't drag up. Nah, she's a good truck. We won't drag her. You know what she'll do? She'll start up. I'll come back and it'll start up. I'll be like, really? You messing with me? So everybody, thank God it's Tuesday. I was off Monday. I took the day off. What the hell? So let's get going. I got things to do. I will be talking to everybody. Hopefully, I'll be in my trailer. We'll be going down the road with my work truck and the trailer once we find out which hook up. If not, we'll just hook up another setup. I'll just throw another ball on there and we'll go. I got a couple. Get the right one in there, actually. Maybe there's a reason why it's telling me to do that. So let's get going. See you in a little bit. Bye.